Hey everyone, in this video, I will show you how to transfer crypto from your Ethereum wallet to your Cash App. So the first thing that you need to do is open your Cash App wallet, and on the home screen, you just have to tap on the icon. Either shows your balance or looks like a little house. So this will take you to the main menu. So from here, you just have to tap on the Bitcoin option and then scroll down until you see an option that says deposit Bitcoin. So after that, you just have to tap on it. And if this is your first time using the feature, Cash App may ask you to verify your identity. So you just have to click on that button that says verify identity and then just follow the instructions to provide your personal details. Now, after doing so, your identity is verified, let's say for example, and then you will see your unique Bitcoin deposit address. So click on that copy button to copy the wallet address. And now that you have your Cash App Bitcoin address, you just have to open your Ethereum wallet. So you can use any wallet like Trust Wallet or MetaMask. So after that, inside your Ethereum wallet, you just have to click the cryptocurrency that you want to transfer. So if the cryptocurrency is not already Bitcoin, you will need to convert it. So tap the swap button in the section and then select the crypto that you want to convert. So in the second section, you just have to select Bitcoin. Then enter the amount that you want to swap and then confirm just the transaction. So your crypto will be converted into Bitcoin. Then once the swap is complete, open your Bitcoin balance in your wallet and just tap on the option that says send. So in here, you just have to paste the Bitcoin wallet address that we've copied earlier from the Cash App. So into the recipient field, and then just enter the amount of Bitcoin that you want to send, and then just click on next, and then confirm the transaction. So your Bitcoin will now be transferred from your Ethereum wallet to your Cash App wallet. So that's it. I hope you find this video helpful. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!